Alright, torrential rain pour today. The baby's excited about it. I just thought I would film a little bit of it because the rain was so bad you couldn't even see. And I live all the way on top of a mountain, or top of a hill I should say, not a mountain. And so right now I'm going uphill. So I know that my house won't be flooded. Whoa. A lot of fun with no sun. Thank God for this Suburban with lift kit and supercharger, or else we wouldn't be getting through this right now. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
You want to go hiking today?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. No, we can't go hiking. It's raining.
Wow. Well, we're still going uphill.
No, it's okay.
I just thought it'd be a cool little video. Wow. That noise is the puddles that we're running through, in case you guys are wondering. All right, there we're coming up to the house, I think. All right, here we come.
That Gateway Center is 1 hour and 8 minutes.
Gateway Center?
Yes.
Here's the house. It's on top of a hill, so
Safety swim.
we're safe. All right, here we go. All right. No, we have to close the gate. All right, the Tesla's safe. The Traverse is safe. We got to close that gate, all right?
Why?
All right, guys.
Why do you have to close the gate?